Once you see that your project has been created and you see your last name at the top of your screen, it's time to add your pictures to start working. So on the gray toolbar in the middle of your screen, click on the icon that looks like a camera, and it will bring up your iPhoto library. And since we've already added our pictures, all we have to do is click on iPhoto, and if you don't see Events, Photos, and Faces, click the little white arrow next to iPhoto, click on Events, and then you can double click on your last event, and here are all the pictures that you should have already imported using iPhoto. To add them, all we need to do is click on one of them, and if you know that your pictures are already in the correct order, you can hold down Command and the A key, and it will select all of your pictures at once. And then all we do is click on them, drag them, and drop them into our project window. It'll take a moment to add your pictures depending on how many you have. If you have more than 35, it's going to take quite a bit longer. And in just a moment they'll show up, and then we'll be ready to start editing them. So here are all my pictures, and I'm going to rest my mouse at the beginning of my project, and to play my project I'm going to hit the space bar, and notice what happens. Over here in the top right hand corner, our preview window, you see my pictures. Each picture is sort of zooming in and out, and it stays on each picture for 4 seconds. I'm going to hit the space bar to stop my project again, and you can notice that it says 4 seconds for each picture, which is way too long for a stop motion video. So we're going to change all of these images to be much shorter, and to do that I'm going to click on the blue gear on one of my pictures and select Clip Adjustments. The duration is the length of each picture. The shortest that we can go is 0.1, and you will want to check Applies to All Stills unless you want to edit your pictures individually. I'm actually going to start with half a second, so 0.5 is half a second, and click Applies to All Stills, and then click Done. So now each of my pictures is 5 seconds.